forget to subscribe. Also, click on the bell for notifications. Hello, this is Jessica from Lowly Marie Creations, coming to you with another SWF MAS-12 video. So for the step-by-step assembly, I did add some components on there that I had to fix and adjust now that I have been running the machine, and it includes the the replacement of the needles, as well as the position of the threads, including, for me, I removed the rubber because some of my threads were getting caught. So I had issues with it tangling the way I had. If you watched the video prior, now that I replaced it, everything's running perfectly. Again, rewatch that video, but I am adding that on this content right here about the needle positions and what it can cause. So I have this stitch out, so I'm just gonna jump it every now and then to show you what it does if you don't have those needles in a certain position, as well as what type of needles you need. Okay, so I fixed the needle for this one, for the gold, but as you can see, the background, this was from yesterday. Today is 7/8/2021, so this is a stitch out for today. So I'm finally getting the hang of this, so it's running perfectly. But on the background, you can see some areas that were missed. I had to just forward it to another color on there, thinking maybe it was something wrong with the knobs on the top. But no, let me forward it really quick. Okay, so I kept on running this thread, and it kept on messing up. So I'm checking the needle. So I guess the back is there's a little dimple. Where am I? There's like a little bump in the back. The front is not. So I gotta make sure I put that in right, and if I have a problem with my other ones, I'm gonna have to redo it. It looks like this one is not. And because of all the problems, I forgot I had it running slow, but it does really well when it runs at 900 to 1000. And another one, so that's the black one. Running at 1000 now. Trying to go over so that way to take off some of the white bobbin when that's earlier. make sure all my flowers are good before I run it again.
Life is pain. Life is pain. It certainly is, Dave.
Okay, so it is not iron, but it is complete. So hopefully the next time, now that I got all my needles together, I won't have a problem with the eyelashes that the bobbins popping up. But I do like this type of name. It's called Evelyn, I believe. So, okay, so this is Jessica. Till next creation from Lily Marie Creations. See you guys later.